In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect VidIQ to Claude in just a few minutes. This powerful integration allows you to bring your channel's data directly into your Claude AI workflow, unlocking deeper insights and streamlining your content creation process. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just getting started, this guide will help. Let's dive in. First, start on your main VidIQ dashboard. To begin, navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on your profile to open the main settings menu. From the menu that appears, locate and select Account Settings. This will take you to your personal information page where you can manage various aspects of your VidIQ account. Next, look at the navigation bar at the top of the account settings page. You will see several tabs like My Account and Manage Plan. You need to find and click on the MCP tab to proceed. You are now on the MCP settings page. This is where you manage AI connections. In the Setup Guide section, find the field labeled MCP Server URL. Click the Copy URL button to copy this unique address to your clipboard. Now switch over to your Claude application. To add the new connection, click the plus icon next to the chat input box. From the drop-down menu, hover over Connectors, then select Manage Connectors, and finally click on Add Custom Connector. A pop-up window titled Add Custom Connector will now appear. First, in the name field, type VidIQ so you can easily identify it. Then, click into the remote MCP server URL field and paste the URL you copied from VidIQ. Once the name and server URL are entered, click the Add button at the bottom right. This initiates the authorization process and will open a new tab in your browser to complete the connection. In the new browser tab, you'll see a VidIQ authorization screen asking to grant access to your account data. This is a necessary step for the integration to work. To continue, simply click the blue Authorize button. After authorizing, you will see a confirmation that the connection was successful. You're now fully connected and can use VidIQ's tools in Claude, and there you have it. You've successfully connected VidIQ to Claude. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.